Go ahead and catch something because you're on camera. Alright guys, got number one of the morning. 18 inches. Lake Fork. There you go. One more for the camera. He ended up getting me, stuck me pretty good. So, one for the fish, one for the fisherman. Well guys, here's another one. Not gonna really help me much in the challenge, but good healthy little fish. I would say about 16 inches. There we go. Been kind of tough morning. I moved out a little bit deeper, and looks like I got a bunch of shad underneath me right now. I'm gonna get this fish unhooked, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Well, came to the other side of this creek where his arm. Got one about 17 inches. Pretty slow, but glad to get one. I'll see ya. Alright, brother, hold that thing up.
Let me grab a couple pictures for the. Yeah, I cut off the tail.
That's probably a new Loomis rod right there for you.
No, I don't think so.
Like a 24?
The water up there basking. Ready?
Yeah, I'm on video, so.
There she is.
It's a freaking hog.
Here you go, Dave.
Well, there we go. Oh, Sean got on some fish and was nice enough to share a spot with me. I got an 18 and a half, so I guess I better take a picture. So it beats my last one. I'll see you guys later. Oh, here we go.
For you. See, if you just wait around long enough. Man, he took right perfectly to the top of the mouth. Black and blue, that's what I should have been throwing all along.
Well, I got one tied on. Don't you?
I just got video. I've got pretty good video too. I'm not.
Well, it's my turn. I don't know how big he is yet. Probably 18 or 19 inches. Got to measure him.
Really? So when did you just post it?
19 inches. I'll see you guys a little bit. It's kind of funny.
So you have to catch a 24-inch bass?
Alright, here's another one this morning. Rained a little bit and got cloud cover right now. This guy wasn't coming off though. He was hooked good right in the roof of the mouth. Throwing some different baits today. I'll at the end of the video I'll show you guys what I'm using. See if this can help me. 19 3/4, alright. Gets me about a 1/4 inch bigger. Here's another one. I'm not sure how big he is. 18 inches. Lake Fork again. You gotta love it, little guy. Got some good color to him. He is 15 inches. Hey guys, Rob Milam here, Into Bass Fishing on the Forum. Packing up, about ready to head out. I wanted to show you some of the baits that were working for me. Basically the first one is just a regular black and blue, I think it's an all-terrain 3/4 ounce jig, and I have it paired up with the X-Sight Raptor crawl. Here's the crawl just by itself, and what I've done is I went down about 3 or 4 ribs and cut that off and then just threaded it onto the jig. That was pretty much my go-to bait. I also we're catching them on a biffle bug. And it's got the rotating football head here, and it's got some appendages here that swim pretty good. This bait's hollow, so I believe it doesn't have any salt in it because it floats. But those two are my primary baits.